Our tracks on the beat.
Meet up in New York City. I am Abby Harris, your host today.
What up, what up? Welcome to Beyond the Blockchain. I am your host, Abby Harris. Good afternoon. Welcome to Beyond the Blockchain podcast. I am your host, Abby Harris. We do this each and every day where we talk about things that are happening in the Web3 space and beyond. I would like to introduce you, if I haven't had a chance to be a part of my Telegram group, Web Network, please do so. Follow us, follow the link. The link is definitely down in my YouTube page, on my Instagram, so on and so forth, where you can actually find a link to be a part of the group. Now, today is Thursday, April 4th. Today's topics we will be going over is Thursday side events in NFTNYC if you're in the city, trending on Twitter, crypto prices. Wall Street banks are buying Bitcoin directly from miners. We're going to talk about Bitcoin repeating its history. Green Bitcoin launches today, an Altcoin 1000% rally, and what is blast up. Those are the topics for today. But before that, the first thing that we're going to talk about is NYC NFT. Shout out to Snack. Shout out to the whole Pizza Dial crew. Shout out to everyone who has been put this thing together. These are not my sponsors, so just to be clear, these are not my sponsors. I'm just a part of the Pizza Dial and the community, and I'm bringing this to you guys because I want to let you know this calendar date is updated daily to let you know what is going on. Right now, it is 11:50. So you missed the first, actually you haven't. So you have Utes, complimentary at D Golf. You got Fordham University Rebellion. You got Empire DAO. Remember, guys, I gave out my Empire DAO access tickets this week. So that is a flourishing community. You got Razorfish. You got Open Cafe at NFTNYC. Varsity Club, Schiller this morning from 10 to 6 p.m. That's going to be a good one. You got Light Art, Hyperspace, Magic, Eaton, OK Bears, Cyber Broker. Like I said, there's a lot of events. Y'all know how I feel about C. That will be definitely something I will go and check out. That will be on the list. It starts at 1 o'clock. State Bar Association. I know that Pablo will most likely be at that event that is happening. New York State Bar Crypto Task Force Legal Insight into NFTs. That will be very good. That is at the main hall today, and it is free. Look at that. Go check that out. Especially if it's information that you know. Chaco Tribe, Shift, All of Us Radios. Look, guys, I can't announce all of these events, right? Because there are a lot of them. Let me zoom this. Can I zoom this in? Yeah, there are. Let me make it so you guys can see. There's a lot of events that is happening today, right? There's a lot. Bonk DAO and Solana's Foundation. Bonk, right? There is a lot of events that is happening. Y'all see it? Red Bear Ventures. Y'all see it? Pudgy Penguins. This is all the stuff that is happening today. Mid Lady. And that is a wrap for the day, right? NFTNYC Week. Vampire Sex presented by Forest Down Under. Somewhere NYC Lounge. $43. Like, that is the last listed event. But there are so many events, so many things that is happening. Yesterday, I seen a lot of posts, a lot of stuff. Shout out to David. David had 600 people RSVP at High Bar. So I know that was very, very lit. High Bar is a really, very cool place. It sits on the rooftop. You know, you got the rooftop views and all that. Really, 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 really cool place. So yeah, there's a lot of, like I said, there's a lot of stuff happening. Tomorrow, though, is some big events. And if you got a chance to check out yesterday's show, I definitely talk about Penguins Boat Ride. Make sure you tune into that. Pizza Dow event is happening tomorrow as well. Also, you know what I didn't see? Wait a minute. Let me back this up. Where is the Noche event? Because that is one of the biggest events that you do not want to miss is the Noche event. All right. Where is Noche? It was highlighted crazy. I know Noche wasn't yesterday. I got to look into the what you call it. So, I hope you are tuned in. And like I said, you can go in here and figure out what you need to figure out for yourself and set up your itinerary for today. If it isn't too late to be bouncing around all of the NFT NYC events that is happening. Moving on, guys. We are still above 60,000. Is up to 67. But remember how we had this conversation with Crypto Rover yesterday, how he was talking about how he's expecting it to go at least lower, 250, 258. But we're going to see what his analysis that he is actually speaking about today to see if yesterday analysis is the same as today analysis, right? Not only that, hopefully you guys, see, and once again, I'm going to break this down. Like, I am in the first 6 minutes of my show. And if you're new to my show and you're just popping in and you want to get an understanding of what I'm talking about, please tap in with me. That's what this show is about. The show is about for me to bring a piece of education that I have within this brain of mine, right, to help you use this opportunity to take advantage of an amazing thing that is happening in the tech space, right? It is all types of things that you could be doing, but there are things that you can make happen. Look at Casper at 13 cents. Things that you can make happen by just small minimum thing opportunities that present itself. Now, I do not give financial advice. I don't tell you what you should buy. I don't do none of that. The only thing I do is I pull up on my show. I talk about things that make headlines that kind of seem to make sense and things that I am truly invested in. What I personally do is I only deal with products and stuff that I feel that has some type of real world impact. I am not a big fan of meme coins, but ask me, do I have some? Yes, because I am chasing just like everybody chasing, right? But that is not the bump of most of the things that I chase or invest in. Look at WorldCoin trading at $6. Like I say, when we see these prices going up and down, going down means sale. Okay, that's what that means. It means sale. All right. So you want to try to catch a sale. That's what's important. Catching a sale. Helium and 5 throttle. Moving on from my favorite Twitter friend, which is Ash Crypto. Wall Street banks want to buy Bitcoin directly from miners. Bitcoin miners Hut 8 says that they were contacted by big banks to buy BTC directly from them. Supply shock is coming. Why? Because institutional investors want to figure out other ways to receive coins without paying certain gas fees. And if they can buy them direct, then guess what? You already know. I keep telling you, once the institutional investors started coming in this space, the game has changed for all those non-believers who was like, yo, Bitcoin is... Now y'all want to jump on the bandwagon. I'm not hating, right? Come on over. You want to learn how to build a MetaMask. You want to learn how to buy your first crypto. You want to join my community. That's what we doing over here. We teaching and we helping. Moving on to my other Bitcoin guy, he was the Twitter guy, but now he's my YouTube guy, right? So let's check out what Crypto Rover is talking about on his analytics. And as he say, history is repeating itself. How is history repeating itself?
Market, and after that point, Bitcoin recovered back towards the upside, and afterwards it went absolutely exponential. So things are looking very similar like they were in 2020. And if history were to be playing out, we are most likely going to see a bounce from off this point, and then the exponential rally is going to start happening on Bitcoin. And actually, if I'm looking right now on the imminent short term, we can actually see that Bitcoin has almost completely filled up the CME futures gap. I do want to be pointing out is that, of course, Bitcoin don't necessarily has to be filling up this gap, because this happened in 2020. We created a Bitcoin CME future gap.
Now, if you're a person that likes history, right? Then studying charts and having a clear understanding of what happened last time to make an informative decision to what's going to happen this time, then this is something that should be up your alley. Now, if you're a newbie, have no idea what I'm talking about, but you want to get into this thing, there's something called DCA, dollar cost average, right? You go sign up to whatever exchange. I got some exchange links inside of my descriptions. Sign up to the exchange, dollar cost average. Put $100 in a week, $200 in a week, $300 in a week, whatever you can afford. Once again, I'm not giving you financial advice. I want to be very clear on this, right? I'm not telling you to do anything that you shouldn't do. Make informative decisions. What I'm telling you is not something that you make a decision on, okay, guys? Like I said, I'm just reporting news and doing my analytics and talking about things that I like to talk about within my community web network. Moving on.
Just about to be filling it up, and afterwards we eventually did not fill it up, and Bitcoin went on a run to push higher up to new all-time highs, which is of course freaking insane. So please don't get fooled by this slight little CME gap where we're currently having on the lower side. But I do want to be pointing out is that approximately 96% to 97% of all the Bitcoin CME gaps, they tend to get filled up here. So yeah, potentially eventually it's going to get filled up. But of course, it is not my main scenario that Bitcoin does need to be going lower before it's going to be playing out this next scenario. So looking also at the imminent short term, Bitcoin is indeed right now as well creating a bear flag pattern after we saw that significant correction towards the downside after consolidating in that sideways horizontal parallel channel. We broke down of the channel, and afterwards Bitcoin has been starting to create a bear flag pattern, which is of course an upward sloping flag. And usually it tends to be breaking down, and the price target of such kind of a flag pattern would be quite significantly towards the lower side, sitting somewhere around $62,000. And I quickly want to be pointing out is that potentially we're not going to be having this exactly historical pattern play out like we had in 2020. And if Bitcoin does really clearly break down and break, most importantly, below this very important support box on the lower side, sitting this time around 64,500, if we break below that level, I think we still could be heading some lower. And if we're going to be seeing lower targets, and if we're going to be breaking below that previous low in the market right here, I think that the next big targets for Bitcoin in terms of support, if we are going to be falling lower, is going to be sitting around $60,000 to $57,000. And I think if we're going to be looking at the maximum drawdown, it's going to be approximately around 20% here in this correction. It is going to be very likely that we're going to be bottoming around $58,000 to $60,000.
So now, do I need to say to you any more than if you're not dollar cost averaging and you're taking your profits as they go, then I don't know what you're doing. On that note, moving forward, green Bitcoin launches on Uniswap DEX April 5th, announces imminent CEX listing. You know something? This is what I want to say to people, right? Have you been tuning into my show? I'm going to sit and wait. If you tune into my show, put it in the chat. And the reason why I'm asking that is because maybe about a week ago, we talked about this. This is how much time they have left for their pre-sale, right? And guess how much they got to sell? You connect your wallet. Hold up. I want to show you something. Let me show you something. Well, my wallet's not connecting. Not the right wallet that I want to connect. I don't have a Coinbase wallet. Let's see. I want to show y'all something. The thing is that they don't have no more. There is no more. They don't have no more tokens for their pre-sale. It's all sold out. These are all wallets, guys. They're all sold out. All of them. Every single one of them is sold out. No. All of them are sold out. So right now, you just basically got to wait to see exactly what it does. Because even if you hit to buy, I don't have a Coinbase wallet. Everything is already sold out. But if you was paying attention to the shows and staying abreast and taking notes. Like I'll be saying, yo, make sure you take notes on this because this information is going to be very important. Here go one of them. Here's one of them. Moving on. You know how you say fear of missing out? I've been talking about this for the last 2 days. I've been doing research on certain things and looking at certain things, and I'll be like, because, like I said, if it doesn't have an impact, and then I got to use the term, if it ain't meant for me, I ain't supposed to have it. I got to keep saying that because if not, I will be pulling my hair out with some of the stresses of things that I've seen, like the rallies going from 14,000%, right? We talked about this. So now, this topic is, because we talked about it in the main page, right? These alt tokens poised for 1,000% rally. Blast up. We know blast up, right? Because we looked at it. What is blast up? Here's blast up right here. Blast up currently coin is at 6 cents. 6 cents. They have raised $4 million so far. They have sold $81 million in tokens. They trying to get to, they on stage 6 and they trying to get to 2 more million, right? This is blast token. What is blast token? Okay, because I like to go through some of this stuff. Leaderboard, frequently asked questions. Where can I find blast white papers? Okay, we're gonna just go straight to the white papers. I usually don't do this. This is due to my due diligence. Let's go to the white papers. Blast Up is the first launchpad based on Blast. It enables teams to raise capital in a decentralized, safe, and user-friendly environment while rewarding active participants through the community incentive program. Blast Up mission is to encapsulate in a short slogan, grow fast, earn more, bring together the interests of participants and projects. Blast Up believes Blast because it is the first Ethereum L2 with native yield for ETH and stablecoins. Blast became the first L2 protocol to reach 1 billion TVLs in 35 days. If you're interested, okay, submit your application. What is your project name? Current status of the project. Link your website, social media, pitch deck. You want to raise funds with Blast Up? Earn, bridge, earn. It all sounds good. Bridge, earn. That helps you bridge and earn. Bridge and earn yield points. You earn more points with a blast based on how you bridge. Leaderboards, airdrops. Let's do this, guys. You know what we're gonna do? Guess what? Coin market cap. There we go. Let's see. And it is called what? Blast Up. Blast Up. Now, what comes up on the Blast Up? I see people buying and selling and trading, but what is Blast Up? There you go. Nope. Let's go back. I don't see what I'm looking for. Let's check this out. We know it's a pre-sale. Blast Up is on CoinGecko, but I want to find it on CoinMarketCap. Blast Up. Getting into Blast Up. You hear what this is what they're saying. Getting into Blast Up 5 cents is equivalent to getting in Ethereum at $20. I remember Ethereum was $40. Okay, so see, for me, this is like another one of those press releases, right? Their website. Let's go look at their Telegram group, guys. Y'all know how I like to do this. Open on web so everybody can see. Welcome to the official announcement channel. Blast Up launch website Telegram. Blast Up first launch ever. They have 7,300 subscribers. Boom. Everything sounds so exciting. They make things sound so exciting. Hooray, surprise, hidden token sales. Okay, that's it. Okay, blastup.io. Very curious, interesting. So we know what Blast Up is. They raising $4 million in a few weeks. Polygon, Cosmo, Juniper. I said Juniper, like Juniper Street, Juniper. Yes, these are the potential coins that can go 1,000% rally. Okay. Matic, we already know what Matic Polygon is. We know how they've been buzzing around town, cousin. Cosmos. You know, it's so funny. I did a lot of research on some of this stuff already, guys. Let's check out their website, Cosmos Networks. Start building, talk to an expert. Blockchain that scales. Designed to spec the internet scales. You know why I'm looking at this? Because in the last couple of days, I've been looking at stuff that's been doing 14,000, 12,000, 11,000%. And some of them, I look in them and I look past them, I'm like, whatever, it doesn't affect me. But if I'm going to throw $20 at Ethereum, that's what that thing said. It says, is it equivalent to investing $20 into Ethereum? If you're saying that, I got $20 for Blast Off. I got that for 5 cents. Yeah, I know how I like to chase coins in this numbers anyway, because I be chasing that American dream where a coin's gonna hit 0.0000000 and beyond. So check out Blast Up. Do your due diligence. Is it something that we all should chase down the rabbit hole? Is it something we should throw $20 in? Moving on into Beyond the Blockchain podcast, I have this news alert to where I look at a bunch of news and I choose my topics from here. And sometimes it'd be like look at this. This right here is just 2 hours worth of crypto news, right? Just things that's happening daily, every minute, every second of the day. And there's always a lot of information, a lot of trending stuff. Just like when I go on Twitter and I want to know what's trending, and they say Sonic Wolf, right? 4 day. What else? Bobo, right? All of this stuff is trending for the day. So I usually go and see what is trending. Now they have what's trending for me. They got a new trending She Diddy. I don't know what that means. I choose not to even look at it. But Bubble, you already know. This is how we find some of our crypto stuff. Build web apps with no code, entirely visible. Bubble, leading no code platform that lets you build your startup without traditional engineers. That sounds very interesting. I think I looked at this yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I did, because look, I'm signed in. I am signed in. Yep. I do, trust me. There's a lot of searching that goes on over here. Like, because I want to make sure that I bring you guys the most interesting, informative information that you can use to take advantage. Like, look, Tesla slot. Tesla's trending. Yo, guys, did y'all see that? The Tesla's, let me see if I could pull that up. A guy had a Tesla. He had a Tesla. He had Tesla skis. All right, electric skis. I don't know if they come up. Tesla skis. Let's see. Tesla app. Is this it? No, that's the Tesla app for the car. Homeboy had Tesla skis. He was skiing. You don't want to see the stuff coming off. Just to melt your car. Tesla day. First ever water sports. We need a Tesla jet ski. Yeah, I would take an electric jet ski. I definitely will do that. Where is it? Tesla skis. Here we go. There they go right there. Tesla skis. Let's go to your page. Yeah, we pleased for you too, but we want to see the Tesla skis work. Where is the Tesla skis? He only have a picture. I know when I seen it, I just thought it was so dope. Oh, here they go right here. Check this out, y'all.
We've spent the past 2 years developing with Tesla the world's first electric ski. It's been a ton of trial and error. They just shipped the most recent prototype to our local dealership, so I'm here to pick it up. I cannot wait to see this.
I think this is cool.
This is great. I gotta open this right now.
Why does Tesla look so dirty like that?
I am dying to see this. Dude. Oh, nice. Look at these things. Holy shit. We're going tomorrow morning first thing.
Why are you cursing on my show? I want to know how you control them though. Oh, you said you lean forward. You lean forward.
They implement the pressure sensors, so when you lean forward, it goes forward. There's like these motors in there. The whole thing. Yeah, there's actually a battery integrated in it. They do that part. We don't do that. We just build the ski.
That's cool. Oh man, I want me a pair of Tesla skis. That's really cool. On that note, thank you for tuning in to Beyond the Blockchain podcast. Where I bring you everything that's happening in the Web3 tech space, new gadgets and stuff like the Tesla skis.
Unbelievable.
I gotta give me a pair. On that note, see you at the same bat time, bat channel. Peace.
Add tracks on the beat.
In New York City, I am Abby Harris, your host today.
What up, what up? Welcome to Beyond the Blockchain. I am your host, Abby Harris.